Welcome to FANS Wethu. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. To my left, I have a supporter, my brother Ubani Kamalako. What's your team and where are you from?
Okay, my name is Sia. I'm from Midrand. This is my friend KG. He's a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. I'm a Pirate supporter, right? So I'm very happy with the performance of Sundowns. I think each Chiefs needs to train. The guys are not fit. They can't reach the ball. The passes are good, but the guys can't reach the ball because they are not fit. They need to train more. Atazwan is doing a very good job. The players just need to put more effort into training.
Okay, so you think the players are unfit?
Yeah, I think the players are not serious about the game. They're not fit enough for the game. They're not they don't want to win the league. If they wanted to win the league, they could have drawn or won today. They had so many chances that they could have taken, but they didn't because Abeko fit. They're not good enough.
Okay, so how can we maybe solve this fitness issue? Is it nutrition? Is it changing players that Kaizer Chiefs can do?
Look, man, I think part of it is also in their mentality. Their mentality was not they were not in the game. It's like they were thinking about other things. But I want my friend also to, because it's his team. I'm a Pirate supporter, but I'm very happy about Sundowns. Masandawana.